What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quick skirt that is appropriate for you to wear to work, but it's also for the Halloween holiday. If you're like me and you like to be a little corny and wear, themed outfits for the holidays, then this video is for you. It's a really quick, easy thing that you can do to a skirt that you already have. Now, you're going to see me make the skirt from scratch, but if you want to be adventurous and do that, if you find a cool fabric, it's super easy to do. Like if you wanted to do this with glue instead of sewing it, totally possible. So that's how easy this project is. So instead of me rambling on and talking about it like I am right now, why don't we just get into what I did? How about that? Hey guys, materials are in the description box below. I'm going to start by sitting a skirt that I know fits me well on top of my fabric so that I can use it for my template. Now normally when I do this I leave about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch seam allowance, but because this fabric is not stretchy and the skirt that I'm using for my template is stretchy, I'm going to allow a little bit more seam allowance than I normally do. So I'm doing about 1 inch all the way around instead of my normal 1/2 inch seam allowance. So once I've done that, I'm going to take it apart, realize I didn't cut the top off, so you need 2 pieces. So I cut that top part off. Now I'm just going to put it right sides together, and I'm going to pin it down the sides. So once I do that, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and sew it together. But if you guys aren't a sewer, then you could use fabric glue and just simply fabric glue down each of the sides, and then the skirt's done. Because I'm not doing a hem on this skirt, it isn't necessary because of the type of fabric it is. So I'm just literally just going to sew down each of those sides, then the skirt's ready to roll. So in this little clip here, I'm just letting you know that I forgot to include footage of the spider fabric before I cut it up. So this is an intro that I decided not to use, showing you the fabric. So that's all this is. Now that the fabric's cut out somewhat, I'm just showing you here that I'm just going to take it and cut that spider out. Once I've got the spiders cut out, I decide on a design. Then I just grab my Fabri-Tac glue and I'm just going to glue it down. It's literally that simple. This first way I'm going to show you is what not to do. I thought that it was smart to put the glue all over, like on all of the little legs of the spider and just every inch of the spider, and then flip it over and put it on the fabric. Yeah, that was a terrible idea because I got glue all over myself. I had to literally go wash my hands before I could even do another spider. So this is the most inefficient way that you can do this. So just make sure that you do not do this first way that I just did. See, I'm getting glue everywhere. It was a complete and total mess. That was an epic fail. Do not do it this way. I'm going to show you the right way in the next clip. Okay, so here's the right way that you should have done it. Just put some glue in the center of your spider and then just put enough on that you'll be able to flip it over easily and put it on the fabric where you want it to be. And then you're just going to pull up each of those legs and you're going to stick your glue on it that way. This is the way that you want to do it, guys, because it won't make a big old mess like I did with my first one. Not sure what I was thinking, and as I've said in a couple other videos this week, it could be pure exhaustion because I'm really tired when I'm working on some of this stuff. So that might have been why I made that bad decision, but just don't do it the first way that I showed you. Make sure that you just put a little bit of glue in the center there and then just work your way around the spider, putting your glue on each individual leg after that. And then guess what? It's done. I'm going to show you some of the terrible modeling I do at the very end of the video. Thanks for watching. So there you go, guys. Like I said, super easy, super simple thing. So if you see a fabric at one of the craft stores and you like parts of the fabric, then maybe you can do what I did and just cut parts of it out to add to an existing skirt that you already have. Or if you want to get adventurous like I did, you could always make the skirt from scratch, because I really liked that fabric had the orange and the black in it. So I was thinking Halloween when I saw it, even though it probably was not for Halloween. I'm sure it was more of a summery type material. But as you guys know, I've said this 1,000 times, I march to the beat of my own drum. So when I saw it, I thought Halloween, so that's why I got it. And I think it was like, I don't know, 10 cents a yard or something ridiculous. So I just bought what they had left. The fabric actually ended up being kind of difficult to work with because I thought it was stretchy, but it wasn't stretchy. So, you know, anyways, let's not get into all of that. I just wanted to give this idea to you guys. So if you see a fabric out there and it has pieces and parts that you like, you can always cut them off and put them on your existing clothes. I mean, this would work for a vest, a dress, a skirt, shirt, whatever it is that you're working on. And you can always just use the fabric glue. I like Fabri-Tac, or any fabric glue of your choice would work for this project. And also, if you're in the, you know, like arts and crafts section of even the Dollar Tree, they have really cool stuff that you might be able to put on your clothes. So just keep your eyes peeled, and I'm sure that you'll be able to find something really cool to make your coordinating outfit for Halloween too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you next time. Bye! Am corny and I like to, okay, let's do that again. Appropriate to wear to work, but it's for Halloween. Make sense? Let's do that again. But it's for the Halloween holiday as well. See, I like to dress for all of the holidays, as I said, and several of my other, I can't talk. Why can't I? Borderline, you know, maybe you shouldn't wear it to work, but it's okay to wear to work kind of thing. I don't know. I thought it was fine. I wore it. Nobody said anything. It's all good. No, because I didn't wear it yet. It's really hard to find things in the stores or, okay, no, that doesn't work.